So welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. We're looking at another automotive locksmith setup, which is pretty cool. And we're going to go through. So these are caddy drawers. So these are the caddy pull-outs, and they're all your automotive links. So you've got everything in the back here. Is this caddy as well?
No.
No, they're different. Where are they from?
I don't know.
Fisher. And you've got all your lishies up the top. Nice and easy to get to. Beautiful. And you've got a bench. So this is a freestanding bench at the back. We've got the Condor. We've got the VVI tablet there. We've got the Panasonic rugged, Panasonic, what's it called? The Tough Book on the cradle, so it's charging. Nice bench, tools on the side, stainless, aluminium. Was that custom or you built it?
No, I got my mate. He give me whatever I want.
Oh, it's beautiful. And you have the magnets like I do. And you got the key mixture. So which one do you use all the time? You got the DIY, the VDI, the Mini.
This one.
Which one's your favourite? The Mini.
Yeah.
It's the same. And you got the orange. That's nice. You got the orange. I got the same inverter as that one. Yes. That's easy. That's nice and easy. Everything's very accessible. There. Can we other side? Okay, moving around side. Okay, so key cutting. So this is a standing location here. Nice and easy. You have the Silco 007 flash. Oh, I have the same Condor in the back of my car. That's nice. And then you have another laser cutter. I think that's another Condor. That's cool. Easy access on the side. Inverter. Must have a dual battery in here. So if he needs to duplicate a key, he can. If he needs to cut it to code at the back, he can. Duplicate another key here, he can. Very nice. Tools on top. Anything to say? Anything to tell us that we're not seeing? Because there's a lot more here that you put work in. Can I see this side? Yeah. Okay. Some more lishy storage. He's dropped the 608. Oh no, it's a screen protector. So IM 608 on the floor there. VVDI. I forget what that is. That's for the BMWs and the Mercedes. Very nice. He's got some what are they, leaf springs down there, if you can see them. So obviously maybe he's increasing the leaf springs on this car. Nice easy access for the car opening tools. Cargo barrier. Beautiful, what's this? This not a curtain, this is more of a vapor barrier type thing in here, if you can see that. And you see all the car keys, nice and accessible, labelled, all perfect here. This is a beautiful truck. This is a beautiful truck. Okay, looking around. So yeah, we're showing this truck. This is a beautiful truck. The way he's laid it out, easy access, nice bench at the back, nice use of machinery. Okay, thanks for watching.